What's up guys? In this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best budget car polishing machines in 2022. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for best car polishing machine, money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 5th product on my list, AUTOCARE Car Wireless Polishing Machine. The AUTOCARE Cordless Polishing Machine. 2 variable speeds, high-quality pads, multi-purpose, powerful battery, long-lasting, complete kit. Powerful 200 mAh battery, 45 minutes working time. One car only need 30 minutes. Battery charging Type-C charging port. Multi-purpose, using in car and home, floor waxing and floor polishing, sanding on the surface of metal or wooden, car waxing, car polishing, brush cleaning. 4th product on my list, AUTOCARE Electric Car Polish Machine. The AUTOCARE Cordless Mini Car Polishing Machine. Proudly present battery, over 25 years. We has kept updating its batteries to the best of its kind. It's estimated that the life expectancy of each 12-volt battery is at least 1,000 cycles. Lightweight and easy to use, do-it-yourself effortlessly at home, weighs nearly 1.7 pounds with battery plus its portable design. This makes it easy for carrying and storage. With its easy operation, you would never scratch your car paint. Very friendly for beginners. Anyone can use AUTOCARE Cordless Buffer Polisher efficiently and quickly. Ideal for home DIY and commercial applications like auto care and maintenance. Variable speed for your needs: polish, buff and amp, wax. With 0 to 3000 RPM, this cordless polisher is powerful enough for a professional as well as safe enough for amateur. 3rd product on my list, Baseus Cordless Polishing Machine. The Baseus Car Electric Cordless Polishing Machine. 5 major upgrade features: high waxing efficiency. The electric polisher have a Velcro on the bottom, free to change polishing pads. Pick up and use. Cordless design is convenient for waxing. 45 minutes of long battery life for big cars. Long battery life allows users to wax their cars at one go, even if they have a big car. 3800 RMP strong power. A powerful motor with stable performance offers efficient waxing and smooth polishing. 3800 high rotary speed. 3400 high torque, 75 dB low noise level. An eccentric rotating shaft offers uniform effect. Eccentric rotation avoids polishing one area too much and unsmooth effect. 2 levels of speed, more satisfaction, suitable for cars different in length. 2nd product on my list, Rotatory High Power Car Polisher. The AUTOCARE Car Polisher Machine is the rotary polisher with high power, high speed. AUTOCARE's polish machine is not only a polish machine, but also a premium machine, because it's too dazzling. With a hand grip, whether it is a polishing car, polishing the floor, waxing furniture, you can be simple and convenient. 6 gear speed can be adjusted at will, 600-3000 RPM to the speed you want. 1st product on my list, Batoca DA Cordless Car Polisher. The Batoca Brushless Dual-Action Wireless Car Polishing Machine. Batoca BO2P037 Cordless Car Polisher. Batoca Cordless Car Buffer Polisher, 12-volt lithium rechargeable battery brushless polisher with variable speed, 2 PCS 2.0 portable wireless buffer kit for buffer, polisher, and sander. Durable and amp, noiseless. The shell is made of high-impact amps. The inside has a powerful motor, which is made of all copper with anti-interference. Lightweight and amp, portable. This cordless polisher is only 2.35 pounds weight. Easy for carrying and storage. 5mm random orbit ensures a uniform finish, friendly for beginners on all painted surface. Batteries and amp, high efficiency, come with 2 batteries 2.0 Ah and a charger. You can charge one battery while running out the other, so you don't have to sweat being out of juice. Batoka specialize in the design and production of car care product. Our philosophy is to provide good quality products and the best service to customers all around the world.